Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making stuffed boniatos or sweet potato duff or dumpling, whichever one you want to call it. All right, if you guys love my stuffed duff, you guys are going to fall in love with this recipe. So these are the list of the ingredients. I'm using a salted cod and the rest of my aromatics here. First thing what we're going to do is boil the salt fish. Now we want to get rid of most of the salt, if not all of it, out of here. So you're going to boil it for about 10 minutes, strain it, add some more water, and then you're going to actually wash the salt out. And this is what it looks like here on the right. So to a preheated skillet, I go in and add some oil, some sliced onions, celery, diced garlic, and habanero peppers. Give this a good stir. Allow this to cook for about a minute and a half. Now, adding the carrots and the tomatoes are optional. You can omit that if you like. Then you're going to go in with your basil, your fine thyme, the rest of your seasoning. Give that a good stir as well. I did add some green onions. Then I'm going in with my salted fish. I just washed. Then I'm going to add some smoked paprika and continue to cook this. Now here you're going to season to your likeness and taste and set aside. Now we are going to prepare our boniato, or sweet potatoes as we call it back home. So I'm going to peel this. Then you are going to wash and boil until it is fork tender. Amazing. Then we're going to mash. Now you guys, I think you guys saw the video I did with the German dumplings. It is almost the same, but I'm just using sweet potato and salt fish. All right, you're going to season your mixture to your likeness and taste. Not to worry, I'll leave everything that I use in the description box, along with the link for the German dumplings and the stuffed duff. All right, make sure the flour and everything is really well incorporated together, really well combined. I did add 1 egg yolk, guys. Now we are going to make our dumplings, our duff. They're more like dumplings. So since I did the German dumplings, I was like, I wonder how this recipe would come out. So I created this to see how it's going to work. And guys, let me tell you, this was absolutely amazing. All right, I said I love to play with food, so food is my art. So I want you guys to try this one. If you do, please let me know how yours turned out. And if y'all are new to my channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share this video, and please comment. Thank you. So you can actually roll this to any size of your choice, you know, small, medium, large. Or if you do not want to add the salt fish, you can omit the fish and just do the dumplings by themselves. But for me, that won't be that much fun. So I decided to add the salt fish and stuff this dumpling, these dumplings. All right, if it's a little too sticky, you can add some flour to your hand and roll that out. And this is what it looks like. So to prepare the liquid, I'm going to saute some onions. Add the rest of our aromatics here, like the thyme, garlic, pepper, celery. Then I go in with some milk. And I'm going to season this to taste. Bring this to a boil. And then I'm going to add the dumplings here. Now this did not take that long. As soon as it floats to the top, you're going to want to remove because they're very delicate as well. So I said around 7 to 10 minutes on low heat. And this is what it looks like. Absolutely amazing. I did throw in some plantains and some yam and stuff and just made some meta. But I was really aiming just to make this dumplings here, and I do hope you guys like them. So thank you guys once again. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share, and I see y'all on the next video. Bye bye.